How to use my account on Find It. This video will show you how to look at your library account information in Find It. First, sign in. Choose your login institution. Enter your student or staff ID and password. Select My Account. This is an overview of your account. You can see the books you have on loan, your requests, your fines, and messages. If you would like to keep your books longer, you can extend them by selecting Renew All. Select one of the tabs to view more details. If you need further support, get in touch.